guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some festival outfits from Boohoo. Now I'm not actually going to any festivals this year, but that doesn't mean I can't play dress up and act like I am. So I know quite a few are happening, but because of the uncertainty, I didn't get around to booking anything, so I'm just watching from the sidelines. But I thought I'd put together kind of like a lookbook haul type thing for some outfit inspiration for you guys. So as usual, everything will be linked down below along with my sizes if you'd like to check any of the items out. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I got is this crazy two-piece. Now I was just obsessed with this color combo and this pattern. Like I love my blues and greens, and throw them all together, I'm in heaven. So this is the skirt and it's got this kind of ruching down the middle that I think is adjustable. Or not. No, it's not adjustable. So it's just for look. So you can't make it more ruched or less ruched. It just looks like that, but it's still cute. So I'll throw that on in a second. And then it has like a matching top to go with it as well. And it comes as a two-piece, because I find nowadays so often you have to buy both bits separately and it can just get really costly. Whereas this comes as a set. So I think this is gonna look really cute for a festival. So I'll throw this one on and we can see what it looks like. So just as I expected, I love this one. So the colors, the fit, it's just a yes. Like the skirt is a perfect length actually, like especially if you're a little bit on the curvy side. Like it's not too short, but it's still that kind of really fun length. And obviously these, I feel like this will start getting annoying after a while because it's just tickling my leg a little bit, but so easy to remove because it doesn't actually do anything with regards to the ruching. You could literally just cut them off. Like they don't have a purpose. So like same with the top, you could literally just like tuck it, like bye. But no, I love this. Normally I don't like tops so high neck, but I think for a festival, if I had like a crazy updo, this is like perfect because you've got some skin showing in the middle and your legs showing. It's kind of like the perfect amount. I am obsessed with this. Like I love this one. The colors, it's just, I'm drawn to colors so much, and having all my favorite colors in like one outfit, it's just perfect. I love this one. So sticking with the two pieces, the next thing I got is this gorgeous kind of pinky red and orange color combo. So this is shorts in the top. So if you don't like wearing skirts to festivals and you're a bit more of a practical festival outfit person, this will be right up your street because it looks like a skirt, but they're shorts, but it's not quite a skirt. Like they literally are just two leg holes. But I loved this kind of fabric. I thought it was super fun for summer, and the top was adorable. So it's almost like that corsety style, but it doesn't have any of the structure to it, but that just like tied over your shoulders. Like how cute is that? So I really liked this, and it's a lot thicker in fabric than the set you saw first. It's actually quite a bit nicer quality, if I dare say. So now I'll throw this set on and we can see what it looks like. So this is how this one fits, and I am obsessed with this. Like the top fits so nice. Like the cups sit exactly where you want them to. You can adjust the ties into like a halter neck if you want, or however you want them. Like you can obviously adjust the lengths of them, but you can also play around with them. You've got obviously two ties that you can do all those cool things that people do at the moment with like bikini tops. So it's very versatile, and I love that these are shorts. Like it's so practical. I would run around this all the time in the summer, like not just for a festival. Like I really, really love this. And I've got to say the colours as well. I wouldn't have normally put these colours for my kind of skin tone, but honestly, I'm loving it. I think this actually really works. I really love the top. It does come as a two-piece, but I feel like this top I would wear with jeans all the time. But obviously you've got matching shorts, so it's a win-win really. But no, I love this one. So the next thing I got is a gorgeous kind of embroidered dress. Now, this is your typical kind of festival look. It's almost like boho chic. That's how I would describe it. So it doesn't have to just be for festival. It can also then double as like a bikini cover up or just like a nice summer dress. But I just thought it's a bit more of a simple outfit rather than like one of those crazy like color vomit outfits, which I do love. But I thought, you know, I'll throw in one of the simpler fun designs in. But it is really lovely with the embroidery and the little tassels on the base. It's just quite simple really, but with a pair of like heels or trainers, it'll look super cute. So I will throw this one on and we can see what it looks like. So this is how it fits, and I've got to say, this is such a comfortable fit. It's actually really lovely to wear. Like it's just so, it doesn't look unflattering, even though it's kind of just like a straight dress, if that makes sense. Like, it's just really nice. I love this. I love the tassels, the embroidery. I can see myself wearing this a lot in the summer, just because it's so like cool and nothing's too tight. It's just a really easy outfit. I would probably like it just a little bit more cinched at the waist, but like as just a throw-on dress, it's really cute. And if you wanted something that you could throw over the top of like denim shorts or something like that and just run around a festival in, this is perfect. And super affordable as well, I forgot to mention that. Can't quite remember what it was, but I think it was like £10 or £8. It wasn't much, but no, I really rate this actually. It's actually a lot better than I was expecting. So no, love this. The next thing I got is like a crazy colourful mini dress. Now I just love this on the model, and so I thought I have to try it. It literally is, it's a backless kind of stripy colourful dress. I am describing this terribly, but look at that fabric. Like, I just love the combination of colours. I think it's so gorgeous, and it's not actually that thin, the fabric. I always find you never know with these fast fashion companies whether you're going to get like a nice quality fabric or a really shitty quality fabric, and it's just hit or miss. But this is a hit. This is actually really nice, and it does have lining at the front as well, so you've got that extra layer of safety, which is always good. But I feel for festivals you could just throw on like a bikini under this and you're good to go. But I'll throw this one on and we can see what it fits like. This is how this one fits, and I do really like it. Like, I love the crazy colours of it, but I just don't think it's the most flattering dress for me. Like, I get kind of like swimming costume vibes from it, and I think that's down to how the straps are, because it has like a little strap here, it has like the straps around the arm like that. But it is perfect for a festival or as like a crazy summer dress. Like, it's very easy to wear, but I think, yeah, I'm not quite sold on it, but it is super fun. Like, I do really like it, and accessorized right. Like, I mean, it's one statement outfit, but I'm not 100% on this one, but it's very cute nonetheless. So this next outfit, you do have to buy all these pieces separately, but I just thought it could be a really fun look. So I'll start with the trousers. I am in a bit of a tangle here. Here we go. So these are just kind of your typical, just simple flares, but they're all, they're covered in like a checker print, so I thought that could be really fun. Super stretchy, comfortable, and practical for English weather if we don't have sunshine. But I just really liked the black and white. I don't know if you can tell, I really like black and white, so I thought they were quite fun. And then I saw that you can get like a matching kind of bralette top that again is backless, and I think I have to lace it up myself, do I? Oh no, it's already, I have no idea how this works, but somehow this turns into a top. So I think my arms go through there and I literally just tie it on. So should be cute. But I thought that would look really sweet with like the high-waisted flares. And then to finish the look, I thought I'd try out a crazy accessory that I saw. Now this can go on any outfit that you're wearing to a festival, if it untangles, just to jazz it up that little bit more. Jeez, this is completely tangled. Bear with me. My finger is now stuck in the belt. There we go. Nearly there. Okay. Like that. Because even like if I was going to a festival, I could literally wear this outfit, put on some wedges or something, crazy hair and makeup, and it could be a festival outfit, but I feel like this would look really good over like denim shorts as well. But I'm going to try it over the checkered look. But let's just throw it all on and see what it looks like. So this top was not easy to figure out. So the straps like run through a tube around the front, but then they also run through something down the bottom, but they don't all interconnect. So when you're trying to like adjust it and get it to fit you, it's quite the task. But I think I managed it, and I did some like tie-up thing, but you guys can play around with the straps, because that's the beauty of straps that you can tie up. You can kind of tie them in your own unique way. I couldn't get my words out then. But the trousers are super comfortable, like they are so stretchy, like I love them. They're a little bit long for me, but only a little bit. So if you wore like platform sneakers or like a little heel, they'll be perfect. It doesn't quite match. Like, my plan was great, but it didn't quite work out. But I think on camera it looks like a better match than in person, so maybe I'll just stop talking. It matches perfectly. But no, it works. Like, for a festival, I think it's a fun look. And I love the belt. Like, this belt, I'm obsessed with it. You can put this over the top of any outfit, basically. And they do fit very nice, so no, I I would wear this. If I had a festival to go to, I think this is a fun look. So no, I like all the pieces. I'm just trying to work out, A, how to tie the top properly, but I think I got there. Like, I feel secure, it's tied up, that's a good sign. The belt also, I'm on the smallest belt loop, but that pretty much fits my waist, so that's kind of perfect, because normally when I get a belt, it's always too big and I have to punch some more holes in it. But no, this one is pretty good, so no, I rate these, and the trousers are a yes from me as well. So the final thing I got is this beautiful rust crop top. Now I just really love the style of this. It has these kind of like loose bell sleeves, and I just thought with like white shorts or some denim, it will just look so nice at a festival. And it also has a tie waist and this kind of like O-ring detailing. So let's just put it on and see what it looks like. I've thrown the top on with a pair of denim white shorts. Now these are also Boohoo from a previous video, so I'll link these down below as well if you like these ones. But this top, it's so lovely, but it's too thin to wear nothing underneath, so it's pretty much see-through. I don't know if you guys can see through it like I can, but I would class it more as like a mesh. So I think this would look lovely with like a little bikini top underneath, or even a bralette. Like that could be really cute as well, or just like a nude bra, which is what I've done. So it is workable. Just keep that in mind if you wanted like a really freeing top. This one would be really freeing, like really freeing. But super cute. I love the tie back. I think that's lovely. So yeah, my main thing would just be the fabric type. It is fragile fabric though. I noticed around the label that it's already got a tiny hole, so just keep that in mind, that I think one catch and it will rip. But I mean, appearance wise, this is extremely festival-y, and I love the style of it, so no, love this one. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. As usual, everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out, and if you're going to a festival, have fun. But my social media will also be linked down below if you'd like to follow me on there. But like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.